Hello friends, I have come to Bhagwan Birsa Biological Park, and this is a zoo, so we are going to see a lots of animals. We have got a ticket, so let's start exploring. So it is written start this way, so we are going to go this way. Look friends, these are the cockatiels. Scaly breast munia. Look, there is a peacock and a swan, but there was not written that a peacock should be here. It must have flew into here. Look, the peacock is written and the peahen is also here. My mistake. Look at the lovebirds. These are so beautiful. Friends, look at this big wild emu. I have never seen it before, so I am so shocked to see a big bird. Friends, look at the oriental pied hornbill. Friends, behold the ostrich. You've you've been waiting for this night too. And look at the ostrich. So big. ಯಾರೋ হবে. Friends, look at the black-headed white herons. My God, look at this giant stork. Friends, look at that black kite, and in Hindi we call it cheel. I am taking a break and having a little surprise.